Want to begin this new time with developing news as Rhode Island school districts are about to receive a playbook for how to respond to COVID-19. It's expected from the Department of Health this afternoon. Eyewitness News reporter Kate Walsh listened in to a Facebook Live with the governor and infectious disease doctors. She's live in the newsroom now with her findings. Kate.
Well, Brandon, as we know, this virus is difficult because different people react differently to it with different symptoms, and a lot of people can spread the virus without even knowing that they have it. So this playbook is going to be crucial for districts, the Department of Health says, for them to figure out what to do if someone does test positive for COVID-19 in the school building.
With the parents listening, let's just take it easy the last few weeks. Let's get on a way to open up these schools in the fall so that kids and teachers especially can be safe.
They're going to have to be ready for anything at any moment, but teachers, students, and parents are asked to at least prep the best they can for the big test, which is the start of the school year. Once the school year starts, COVID testing will be key.
That allows the Department of Health to quickly do contact tracing, find out all the individuals that may have been associated with somebody who has COVID infection, quickly quarantine those individuals, test them where appropriate, and if those tests are negative, quickly get those kids back to the classroom where they need to be.
Thursday night, 1,700 people tuned into Governor Raimondo's Facebook Live with infectious disease doctors and the Department of Ed. The governor said testing would be ramped up to 9,000 people a day with a turnaround time of just 48 hours to get results. As for the specifics on when someone should be tested or quarantined in a school setting, districts will be following an evolving playbook.
And you're going to be monitoring very closely what's going on, and if there's issues, you're going to deal with it.
Doctors Philip Chan and Len Mermel stress the importance of social distancing and wearing face coverings, and that there needs to be a shift in mentality when it comes to calling out sick.
We have to change that culture a little bit, such that we really, not for me per se, but for everyone around me, if I'm feeling ill, I got to stay home. And our employers, our bosses, everyone has to start to respect that so that we can change the culture.
And Dr. Mermel added that he'd love to see children and teachers be outside as much as possible, especially when they're eating and their face masks are off. Live in the newsroom, I'm Kate Walsh, Eyewitness News.